Yes, students, welcome back to our class. Now we discussed on complementary events. Complementary events. What are complementary events? If we toss a coin, if we get head, it is a complementary event to tail. If we won a match, loss of match is complementary to event to winning a match. So an event, probability of an event P of E, not E is denoted as E bar. Not E is denoted by E bar. The sum of the probabilities of an event and a complementary event is always 1. The sum of the probabilities of an event and complementary event is always 1. So where P of E bar equal to 1 minus P of E. P of E bar is equals to 1 minus P of E. For example, if we roll a dice, we getting an even number, getting an odd number are complementary events. The sum of complementary events is always 1. Let us see another one example. If probability of an event is 0.992, what is the probability of not E? What is the probability of not E? Probability of not E. So P of E bar is equals to how much? We know the sum of complementary events is always 1. P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. P of E plus P of E bar 0.992 equal to 1. So P of E bar is equals to 1 minus 0.992, 1 minus 0.992, 0.992, 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 9, 0, 0, 0.008. This is the value of P of E bar, P of E bar. Let us see another example. If P of E is equal to 0.5, 0.05, then find P of E bar, P of E bar. That means value of probability of complementary event. P of E bar equal to 1 minus P of E, 1 minus 0.05. Yes, students, 0.05, 10 minus 5, 5, 9, 0, 0.95. We can see another example. If some Sita and Geeta find the probability of Sita and Geeta celebrate birthday on same day, on same day, not on a same day. Okay, Sita and Geeta celebrate birthday on same day, not on same day. Observe, students, possible outcomes for same day birthday on same day. How many days? Except leap year, there are 365 years. So number of possible outcomes are 365. Now, favorable outcome, that means both have birthday on same day. On same day. So there is only one day is possible to celebrate birthday on same day. So probability is equals to P of B is equal to number of outcomes, favorable to B by all possible outcomes, number of favorable outcomes 1 by 365. This is for example, this is P of B 10365. Now let us find they celebrate birthday not a same day, so that is nothing but P of B bar, because same day and not same day are complementary events. So P of B bar equal to 1 minus P of B, 1 minus 1 by 365, 1 minus 1 by 365, take LCM 365, 365 1s are 365 minus 1, that is 364 by 365. Students, you can also do another way. Number of favorable outcomes to not a same day is 364, that is 364 by 365. So students, complementary events means if an event is E, then not E is known as complementary event. The sum of complementary events is always 1. P of E plus P of E bar is equals to 1. Thank you, students.